Fat burning morning routine 10-minute. You've probably heard this before, but we're gonna repeat it. Workout is best done in the morning. According to studies, morning workouts have a higher fat burning rate. Moreover, it increases the body's core temperature, which means that not only are you burning fats while working out but also the entire day. So, if you're on a lookout for a quick fat-burning morning routine to start your day, then this video is for you. Exercises like mountain climbers, jumping jacks, and burpees are excellent at burning fats, which we will be talking more later, so stay tuned. Suffice it to say, a morning sweat session only brings health benefits. Instructions: each exercise on the list shall be performed for 45 seconds. As for the reps, you can do as many as you can. Then, make sure to take a 15-second rest in between every exercise. 1. Side plank rotation. It's an advanced version of the regular side plank. Apart from targeting your abs and oblique muscles, it also works your shoulders, lower back, and hips. 2. Corkscrew. This classical Pilates mat exercise works your abdominal muscles, specifically your obliques. It also challenges your inner thigh muscles as you press and hold your legs together. 3. Reverse planks don't just help burn fats, but it also aids in maintaining good posture and keeping your core strong and balanced. In fact, a reverse plank is also used as a rehab exercise since it improves the core and stabilizes the spine. 4. Reverse lunge provides more front leg stability and less stress on your joints. It's perfect for people who wish to burn fats but have some knee concerns or difficulty in balancing. This exercise activates your hamstrings, core, and glutes. 5. Jumping jacks are bodyweight cardio moves that are great at burning calories. Although it isn't a spot-reduce fat exercise, jumping jacks help lose fat from all over your body, including your stomach. 6. Burpees. Known as a hardcore bodyweight exercise, burpees can burn fats as fast as it builds muscle. While burpees certainly aren't fun, they do an excellent job at working your arms, core, glutes, back, chest, and legs, you name it. 7. Pull-ups provide a complete body workout as it engages all the major muscles in your body. As such, doing pull-ups expend more energy while also helping you burn more calories. Also, it boosts the metabolism and increases your ability to burn fats. 8. Dumbbell overhead lunge targets every muscle from your head to toe. Dumbbell overhead lunges will challenge your core, upper back, shoulders, and arm muscles. As a result, it improves full body balance, strength, and stability. 9. Mountain climbers. A mountain climber exercise is like a plank, but you're on the move. It promotes fat loss that will help you unveil your dream abs, and at the same time, works to strengthen your core. 10. Plank shoulder taps. This exercise trains and strengthens your wrists, shoulders, arms, glutes, and cores. It also helps alleviate lower back pain, enhances your posture and flexibility, and tightens your midsection. If you love it, subscribe my channel and share.